Hey, to turn on TalkBack on the Redmi 13C, first of all you have to go to the settings, then scroll down and go into the additional settings. Now go to the accessibility, and here go to the vision and click on the TalkBack. Now to turn it on, you can click on the switcher, but also we can perform some adjustment. Like here we can get the TalkBack shortcut, so we can hold the volume keys to turn it on or off. And that's also some small description to this function. So how to use TalkBack? We have to swipe right or the left to move between items, double tap to activate an item, and drag 2 fingers to scroll. And to turn off the TalkBack, we have to press and hold both volume keys for a few seconds. When you open the settings, you can also find other options like text-to-speech settings, sound and vibration, customized gestures. And now when you turn it on and tap on the switcher, we have to accept the permissions. And as you can see and hear, the TalkBack is turned on. And by now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.